Good morning, dear students. I am Manoj Bharti and I am going to teach general knowledge to class 3rd. This video is about Presidents of India. It is given in the 3rd chapter of your GK books. The first President of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, serving from 1950 to 1962. The second President of India was Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, serving from 1962 to 1967. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan birth is also celebrated as Teachers' Day for his contribution in the field of education as a teacher. The third President of India was Zakir Hussain, serving from 1967 to 1969. The fourth President of India was V.V. Giri, serving from 1969 to 1974. V.V. Giri's full name is Varahagiri Venkata Giri. The fifth President of India was Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, serving from 1974 to 1977. The sixth President of India was Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, serving from 1977 to 1982. The seventh President of India was Gyani Jail Singh, serving from 1982 to 1987. The eighth President of India was Ramaswamy Venkataraman, serving from 1987 to 1992. The ninth President of India was Shankar Dayal Sharma, serving from 1992 to 1997. The 10th President of India was K.R. Narayanan, serving from 1997 to 2002. The full name of K.R. Narayanan is Kocheril Raman Narayanan. The 11th President of India was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, serving from 2002 to 2007. The full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. The 12th President of India was Pratibha Patil, serving from 2007 to 2012. The 13th President of India was Pranab Mukherjee, serving from 2012 to 2017. The 14th President of India is Ramnath Kovind. He is also the current President of India. That's why written here, serving from 2017 to present. Students, do you know Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was the 11th President of India, has also created Agni, Prithvi, Akash, Nag and Trishul missiles for India and empowering us to face world proudly. Students, you have to learn all the names of the presidents along with the time period they have served the India. You may be asked, who is the first President of India? Then you have to answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. If someone asks you who is the current President of India, you would say Ramnath Kovind. And these may become in the examination as matchups. Thank you, students.